To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, they ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above in me. Spliffing out the left and on the beering out the right. Just so I know she a bubble from me right. Cause she know the kiss
Hey.
them alright.
How you feel?
My paradise.
I don't know, you know. Me carry water come and give you. Did I drink this man? Now I'm water. So why you look on the water like that? You want to ease up a little bit? Because you lie down from morning. Because the water. You sure water this? What do you mean if I'm sure water? Why you say that?
For the water.
What do you want? You did I drink it?
Me?
Alright, never mind. Obviously you don't want no water.
No, the water not look right.
You know say me I take care of you. Let me pass. But I just want to know say me have your back. I'm only do not offer hurt you. I don't know why you ask me that question like you not trust me. Me your bigger sister, you know.
Me
Me always there for you. But why you behave like that?
How? How me behave? Me no know me behave.
Alright. You feel pain? You're good. You want something to eat? You ready for it? I don't understand you. You say no and you want something to eat?
Me take it till them roar half an hour ago. Me not do no pain. Me alright.
You sure? Alright. In the evening, me make you have a walk here. Somewhere you lie down and relax. Just know say your sister there. Anytime you want nothing, just call me. Yeah? What make your face look so?
Cause I want to talk to you. Because I know my problem, but it a bother me.
What bother you?
I hear me say I don't cause you see your sister in there, so
What do you
you treat her like too much queen. You treat her like she's this Miss Princess. You have to spend out your all pan her. I know say your sister in there, but you do too much sis. I know when me talk and you feel like say a bad mind, you know.
What you mean me I do too much? I'm a sister. And me alone she have. Who out there gonna help her? If me not help her, she go to the roadside and people go treat her like
Yeah,
trash.
but she can look at work.
Oh, she gonna look at her and she lie
look
down in
at
the
work,
bed
man.
sick. Ain't sick, you know?
So you sure you know just a play that they don't just collect from where you again?
No, me not feel like that. Why you feel like
I'm
that?
cousin still in about in just look general. Other day me hear you talk about party. Every minute you talk about it. And you make it look like she yo. And she forget everything. You need to spend some little thing for yourself to man.
Me can't left for last, but me have to look about my sister for now. You know understand
You
when
have
she
to
up back
always
on her foot.
put yourself first in everything.
Me understand and me know that. But my sister come first for now because she's sick. You know get the drift?
Me get it.
Long time, man.
So where you depend on idea?
Me there, you know, say, I don't go shop, me go buy some stuff for cook so she can get something to eat.
So not even cook, she can't cook neither.
Ah, Jesus. What happened to you? You
No,
don't
me have to
understand when
ask.
somebody sick?
What kind of sick?
The accident when she meeting, you forgot?
Right. I feel like you all better now, you know, but I feel in our business. I just want the best for you, you know, cause
Me I do
I
the
just
best when
feel
me
like
can.
she a player you.
No.
You need to do some things for yourself.
Let me tell you something. Me I do the best when me can do. You see, my grandmother always say, people who do good, good always follow them.
But a whole heap of good they do for her. A whole heap of good they do for her, man.
Me know. Me know.
But you just
cause
not treat yourself right. Cause see other day, you tell me say you want to go out with your friend them thing there. And you come ask me for one of my polo shirt them I buy. Me not like that. You have to use your own money and buy your own things. Eh.
the neighbor them out
I
here.
mean one polo shirt, me not
Take
even
time
wear
out
2
of-
times good.
You know something like this when you do conquer your yard. Because me your cousin, so if me come borrow something from you, nothing wrong with
me never
that.
say you can't do it, you know. But I just how you give her everything and you not do nothing for yourself. Me not like that. You need to spend something for yourself, man. But I just tell you, you know. So if you don't want to do it, it's your business. So me just make
Come
a
go
pass
on
through
home.
still.
Yeah, later.
You look a little wicked in there too.
Me know say you don't like my sister from morning, you know, and you have to stop it because of her cousin.
No, me never say me not. You're talking shoot still, but she good still. She good. She good because later here.
Alright. See her word later, me gonna shop.
Yeah, me feel much better, yes. But you know my thing already, me still have to play along, you know. For a couple little days, maybe 2 days. Remember say when me did the pan foot, you know, my sister, Harley used to pay me man, you know. So me want back the time and attention, so me go just play along. What you mean? Of course me can't walk, then no me 2 foot me turn up on. Yeah, but me have to pretend as if me can't stand up, you know? Yeah. You know, say, me don't know what she gone. I me not too want her to come catch me on the phone. Cause you know how the thing set already. Yeah. So me did just have to check up on you still. Yeah. Anyways, you know how we things set already. Me so call link you, but me can't link you today. Cause me don't know how close she dey, and me don't know how far she gone. Alright. Later.
Uncle,
Hmm?
beg you $100 for me pay a lady because how are you?
$100.
Yeah, $100. Come now, more pay a shop lady. Please.
But you tell us something out there, so.
No. Oh. Eh?
Me there wait for she to go round. And the next young girl come out because guess what now? Me want money. So just somebody
Give me
tells me out there.
$100.
Somebody tells me out there.
Alright, thanks. Yeah.
You know, come out. Wait there. Your auntie round there.
Uncle, come here and talk here, sir. Come.
Alright. Me the right there shop side. Right there shop side, that's all. So, I want know.
No.
I mean, to change my life.
Change your life. So you mean you owe the mother? And yeah, saka, the data.
And no matter soccer. We are talking about soccer. You need to know your age, you know. You're a young girl. And you need to stop make people turn you an idiot and use you.
What do you mean by that,
What you
uncle?
mean? You see that the sister what you have up there named Amanda, you really feel that she's sick so long? When you get certain back pain and I'm not thinking she get no back pain. Because which part she went stung in the car? That's the first thing. Which part she went stung in the car? You don't know. It's like you know, find out, but only thing you do, I just risk everything. You keep your work, all these things, figure spend time on she.
Uncle,
that little ungrateful rat.
Why
You know what?
Have no more for my sister?
What means have my mouth for your sister?
My sister want me to left her on the roadside.
I don't say left her on the roadside, but the way how me here say you deal with it. You deal with it as if say, you give away your own self.
Fishy. I give away my own self, but me help her up. Fishy can come up back on her feet.
Fishy can come back. Look up when you're here, eh? When are you here? You hear what I do now, you know? Them things that you're hot, girl. Someone understand why?
Sometimes we have to put certain things on our hold to deal with other business.
Other business what deserve it. She not deserve it.
Oh, you know something? I'm a sister.
Yeah, I'm your sister and I'm a little niece
you
and a
know,
little
so
rat.
You're puppy dan for good on.
Good on where?
Because the two and I same thing.
Good on where?
Tell me same thing.
Fire upon that boy, good on where? We not going down nowhere. You understand me? I say because how you deal with things, you have to understand and listen. If two of your family members them tell you, say stop wasting time on certain things, and you not listen. Only time will tell. That's all I can tell you. But all me I tell you this. Whenever you see, if you want up so, don't tell her see when sibling a shopper. You understand me I say to you? You laugh like say a joke business. If she go hear something there, so no, you probably
think me go do that?
Eh?
No, you think me go do that?
Me don't know if you go do that.
Time for waste.
You sure you not go do that though?
For the Amanda she would have do it, but me remember say me and Amanda are two different ones.
Yeah, but you don't have the same blood. If blood, the same blood
you
don't you know
so if
vein.
me did want to chat for you, I could have chat for you only by time. Because remember say me always sketching her than David.
Alright, so what you plan for do now? You plan for give me $100? Or what? Me can't come up for $100? Yeah, my niece, but
no, me niece, no?
yeah, but them a take care of you, you're a woman, me a man. You understand me? I say, how it go, $100 go? Me can't come back for it.
Alright, $100 go, me go tell a woman right now.
Alright, keep it.
Take it?
Yeah, I keep it, man.
Alright, later, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's all. Amanda, sis, come. Alright. You know, no fever or nothing. Yeah, alright, man. You feel pain? You hungry? Alright, I buy some. I'm gonna make some chicken back soon. Buy chicken back. So, I'm gonna lie down and relax. I'm go tidy after this here. Oh, sis. Not say me believe what they say to me, or not say me a pressure you or nothing, but two people me pass on the road today, and them a tell me say you pretend.
Me?
Yeah, because them a say they even ask me which part of the day I care. I mean I tell them say me don't know.
Sis, I will never do a thing like that. Right now, I appreciate everything we I do. And if it happen to you in a long run, I'm gonna have your back. Just
You
like
sure?
how you have my back right now, I'm gonna have your back later on.
But just want to say you not do something to me like that. You understand?
No, sis, I will never do a thing like that.
You sure?
Yes, big sis, I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Alright, but you need to like a bed thing now go work. If I continue in a bed, you go still feel like you want itch up in a bed. You need to like get up and walk around little. As me say me go help you for walk around and sit in here. Alright, so lie down back. Yeah, come.
Where say I going?
Me there, you know.
Right now, me I tell you say, over my cousin me I come from a while ago. Cause me I try for reason with her with certain things. Cause you know say, me love my family them so. If them a go a wrong part of road, me I go try to direct them. So I just that stuck by my brain make you see my face kind of look different. So I don't want you
Come,
feel
me
like
realize
a
that from
you.
the other day, you know. But me always think I'm the problem.
No, you're not a problem. You understand?
You understand, but me always think. I mean, never ever come to you and ask you if I'm the problem. You know, me just stay so. Anyways, you know, see me a good man though.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, not cheap, you know, me just ask you.
No, you tell me that, you know. Me have
Listen to me. Me is asking you a question.
but me I tell you, say, and you a tell me that you have to prove it to me. You have to prove it to me.
Oh, we want me prove it. Me prove
No,
it
you
anyway
tell
I
me
want
say
it.
you're a good woman. Right? What
So you don't see
you
that
do
for
for
yourself.
be a good
You
woman?
don't see that for yourself.
Me no see it.
Tell me what me do, what me not do.
No, you do everything so good, man. You catch on.
I catch on. But you not catch on, no, I don't.
What you mean?
Every night, we do what we are do. And you send me back on my yard without a food. And then you come back the next day and the same thing and the same thing and the same thing. Where you take me for? Money me want now, brother.
So me ask you a question. Now you call me more while say you want thing.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that when I will do with something, you're supposed to can give me what I need. Me not fear ask you for nothing. You
So
know
you're not
that
supposed
don't.
to give me what me need.
But you get it.
Every
But
time if you give you things, if you give me too.
me give you.
Give me what? You ever come and say, babe, so I want 12,000 here.
Me not have no money to give you, and that me can't give you that. Me give you
Well,
pleasure. You forgive me money.
I that with one woman that I only thing you can offer man, you know. Sex me.
Come sex me.
You
But
must
you love
can
me
call
now.
me and say, babe,
You
so
love
I
me
want
don't. Me
20,000
not have
here.
no money to give you. And money me come here so far, and the money me want.
Well, me not none for you neither. So, me not understand why you try to tell me say you're a good man and you pressure me for money. You
Me
have to
not
prove
pressure for
that
no
to
money.
me.
Me not pressure for no money, but one day you can call me and say, babe, come for this. And one time you come, I want Kyle money and give me. Not one day you can do that. What kind of man you be? And you're working, and like you're not working. You're working.
You
So the
want
money I go.
me and I go have this a conversation.
At the conversation, then me want money, me come for.
Well, me not none for you.
Hey, a joke they make.
Relationship must
Joke
be
you they make, a money
50-50.
me. Eh?
Relationship
Yes,
must be 50-50.
yes, a 50-50. Because you get pleasure, me supposed to get money. That's all.
Yo, babe, me not tell no lie, but right now I feel like you chat too much, you know, cause you talk what me not really want to hear. Before you try ask me, say, I want to go on over my cousin yard. Yeah, tell me about
When
different
time
thing
me get
right
money,
now.
me ask you that. That is not my concern right now.
Well, what you tell me is not my concern.
Eh?
So, me I go over yard.
Who want
So,
me a little on night time?
Me lay down sometime.
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 Sometime. But most of the time, right?
No, sometime.
But most
I
of
go
the
over
time.
yard. So
Me come in with you, come want the money.
no bother with that, because I never tell you something again none. If I look a sexy one for release of my stress, you can come, but no come for no money, because I don't know that again right now. So me I go over me yard.
Me come with you, come want the money.
Just stand up round there so me I fall.
Where you they go?
Me say turn up round there so me I fall.
they
Me
go?
not like people follow me, you know.
Me know that, but where they go?
Me tell you already so if you ain't come over here, you know.
Listen to me. Me come for money. And the money me have we a pan.
Listen to me, I say,
So
go on
where
down
they
there.
go?
No
Where you
question.
they go? Me talking to you. Where they go?
Don't do that, don't do that.
Watch you no come back here. Me now moving now. Me now moving away pan you.
Yo, bad dog. You know someone you come give me a check door on my block. Yeah man, right now, cause right now me now want a little situation and I feel like, not even feel like, I know you're the best person to help me the situation. Alright. Hello? Yeah, what happened? You not get the money from him? What do you mean I play hardball? What? He have money. I'm a little cousin. Yeah, he have money. We know he have money. Can you work? No, man, get the money from him, man. Get the money from him, man. Don't. He must. Yeah, come here and call me a while ago about your problems and sitting. No, I give him my money. Alright then, yeah. But I forgot a different plan then, you know. But me not have money for you. I'm not sure what you really want to show them ears. Alright, remember say we can't make you find out nothing. Yeah, you call me if you come there. So what you go do now is that make me look like some top on Harris, you know? Make me look like I'm a top down. Kind of saying you have problems. So me come there just pretend like you ain't rob me and yeah, come and tell my story already, yeah. No. Alright, just pretend man and walk off. So me look like I want top down. Yeah. Can you do that? No, me now. Just pretend the man and stop while like you can't pretend. We try one next way. Alright. But me a forward now. So don't go on like you expect me. Alright.
Honey, where you go?
You girl, I go hustle me make a money for me and you.
You know, so from the other day, something I puzzle me, I want to talk to you about it, though.
Talking about
You man, you can't, you know, say, me feel like, say, something right about the relationship. It's like something I'm missing in a fight. I don't know if you have feel it, but from the other day, I sit down and I think about him, I say, no man, go talk to him about it, you know, because
talking about what?
I did, you know, like, you know, give your life to God, you understand? Get baptized, change your life, and trim off the ear, you understand? We go in a church and, you know.
So make you have to attack me here.
You have to and you can't go wear the hat to go in a church, because, you know, as a man, you have to take off the cap, you know.
Which church are you right now stop a man from entering a church with Rasta?
Eh?
Eh? Which church you go here now? I go stop a man from entering.
You know, read the Bible.
You
know, realize that from the other day, I just read the Bible and I just in the mood there. And I just sit down and me and meditate and me and say, no man, we have to give life to God.
Alright, but honey, I say no to that. But you have to give me my time. I can't just force
me
myself.
never say if you do it now, so me just say it to you. No. And then we can think about it maybe later on. We can talk, you understand? And get a more understanding about it. You don't necessarily make the decision now. Me just say it to you.
Yeah, me understand, but it's like you say it to me this morning before you give me tea. You say it right before I put on my shorts. You say it to me right before me could actually go brush back my teeth and come back out the door. And you see you know, out the door, there the gate, I lay wait me to go out. Figure hustle for me and you. Me not say me not believe in God.
But you don't hustle out the road without God.
No, me ain't gotta walk, but me I sit here say, the way how you want me now, if you just trim off me here and just, me can't fake it. Give me a little time now. You have to give me a
little time, like how long it go take? Can you feel like the outer road nice? Outer road don't nice, you know?
Me know the outer road like outer road, so don't say that, you know. So when you say outer road, I mean outer road, like what outer road I do?
You know, in a church, the outer road.
Yeah, but
you can't have 1 foot out there, so, and 1 foot over here, so you have to put the 2 foot over here, so the 2 foot over here, so you have to make up your mind.
Do it again.
You can't put 1 foot here, so, and 1 foot there, so. You have to have 2 here, so, or you have 2 here, so. So you have to make up your mind right now. Or me can give maybe a week or so to think about it and come back to me, because you know what, the dancehall thing is really nice. But you see, when you have God by your side, Him can guide you and teach you the right way. You know, see, people are dead now.
Alright. Me nah said this and all of that, you know. But because the woman don't hear box in your face don't I dance. You stop you choose to stop go dance and all these things.
And what you do when the woman box me?
You remember say me come for you? And me come for you, know?
And
me have to run out of the place because the woman man a bad man, woman man have gun. So what if you do? Me not have no gun.
Say they go run left your woman.
No, me say you man take up and carry out of the place. But from this now you say you want to go to church and you want to do this and you want to do that. But me not say no.
You never hear them say if you get a shot. And you know, change of it better, I go change of it worse. So you back, so me get it change me.
Alright, good.
Yeah,
good.
It change me.
Alright,
so me I turn a new page.
I
me now go turn the page and left you behind.
So we can continue this later on?
Later on, what time you come back?
Alright. Me go try hustle some money for me and you. See? And look while you hear me on the phone and talk to me, look me my family puppy. And call me and say me if you come start out something for him. So me go start out something and then forward back. But I don't want you to call me every second. Because, you know, look good. For me, the road, I don't want to call me 24/7.
So I'm not supposed to call you?
I am saying, I never say you can call me, but not 24/7, every second, so.
Then if a woman not call you and they piss you, you go hear say your woman they give on, oh, you not call and check up on me, and he used to call me and this and that.
But if you want too much.
To me too much.
Too much, right?
So you don't want so much of man?
No, honey, just stop that, no, man. Yes, I make me feel bad, like, say, me not love it as the way how you...
But me feel bad right now, the way you talk, like you don't even want me to text all your phone again.
No, I didn't say that, me just said, like, just... Alright, you text me 100 times per day, you can't text me just even 70, just 70 times. And, you know, me concentrate some only later, here. Because every time I say, well,
go on, God go with you, and may God cover you all. Go on and cover.
Love you, here?
Love you too.
Come show me, General. Where this so long, man?
Left my phone on me yard. I want to go on. You have to left my phone on me yard, brother. I say, it's not say, brother, woman feel give attention, but not so, brother. It's like a stalking business.
What this man?
I don't know, but yo.
I see him thing, it tore away, I got through then.
So what I'm to you?
Then now what you think me call you about? You know your little community bicycle. Me not talk your bicycle where you pedal.
Hold on. You talk. One look slightly brown skin girl.
Yes, she see him.
She will rob me, you know. You will take up my money.
Take time talk loud. Then me and her talk.
Mm-hmm.
And she a come tell me about she a good girl. And I demand money from her. Right now you over there. I get more and get her out. You not get it?
Long time. So guess what we're going now? Just call her. Don't tell her. Just tell her, say, a friend of hers, a long time friend, want to see her and talk to her. Simple as that. Cause brother, me know if she see me, she a go just jump in
and show and run away.
And run away. Or maybe want to have a conversation still, cause endearing like that, you know. But me I tell you, say, me can't get her out, man. Cause me need my money.
But she a everybody. She and everybody there. And she feel like that she can trick me and tell me about she a good woman.
So I wanna move a take.
Eh?
And I wanna move a take.
Boy, me not tell a lie. Me did take one and move, but
you move back in.
Yeah, it did too good, so me have to go back again.
All me I say to you, say, just go call her. Simple as that. Go and go call her. Fast,
I look both. I look both.
If you want soon call me, I know, you know, me know, sure.
Community bicycle.
What you say? How we are called, so boy?
No, you may talk to her again.
So how we see about so you know?
Yeah, me I say. A friend of mine more interview with you.
Which friend that?
Because you know, say I'm a woman, so me I feel.
Which friend is that? That's what I said. Which friend is that?
Nice friend.
Oh, your friend carry money come?
Yeah. I look both. So.
Alright, I come with you.
Generally, I tell about.
Him?
Yeah.
You know some money.
Come now, everything good, man. You good? Come now.
Not good, eh?
Yeah, come now.
Hi, my long time friend. Come on now. Hi, my long time.
Let me say, come. Hey, come on, hey! Yo!
You just met that up now a while ago?
Brother, I'm tell you what.
Yo, me know, say you could have made you go for you, you know?
Listen, man, you have to take them girls serious.
I
because just know, you see last time she ripped me off and run off for the money. Me send threat and tell him, I mash him down, you know, at that I think. Right now, him shock when you see me, bro. You have to take this girl thing serious, brother. You can't make them feel like they can use you and chat certain things.
Actually, you know, but me tell you how women feel, say, though. And one time I get her a nice piece of food, you know, I not talk no like a small food, you know.
Like how much money you talk about, sir?
I not talk about small, I talk about large. And I tell her, say, it's like the money sweeter, so it's like she start to link me about it more often, you know.
Brother, let me tell you this, man. You can't make that happen to you again. Especially with she. You know what's going on, you know?
Yeah, of course.
But if him, alright, the money sweeter, so she might do it even extra better. I make you feel like, say, boy, you know, like, you know.
That's who you're talking, you know, say that's why I go back door.
Me know, say that's why, bro, but you have to understand this thing. You have to pinch, man, give them a 3,000, give them a 2,000, give them a 5 bill sometime. You understand? You can't give them just 20,000.
One time,
you're mad? You have to pinch it, brother. Can you come back for 20,000 next time, you know, or more?
Alright,
and you have it?
No, me not have it. I look both though.
Well, look about it. So you hear me I say, I'll sort out some stuff. Yo, when last year from the from America them?
But I mean, I tell you, the time I hear about over this, it's like my brain just get frustrated.
Cause you know, so today, he borrow money from me, she borrow big money from me today, and right now I feel like I hit one go back for right now.
Yo, I same thing me I tell her about today, me go over there and yo, she has spent too much money upon her sister and have nothing for herself. You know what I'm saying? Come borrow my polo shirt. Yeah. And no, me not get it back.
But you are turned to finger.
So now that me I try tell you.
Alright, you are
so how much money you borrow from you?
I wait for money, man. Wait for money. But
like how much, sir?
No, man. I make it a family business, that man.
But well, we a family, you just ask me my business and me tell you. So I make you can't tell me.
No, but you never tell me amount. You just tell me say it's a big food.
What amount?
You tell me it's a big food.
35.
35.
35
$1,000.
So how much?
remember. Well, Lord, that man, you make it sound, so I save it there, brother. Eh? I just know, say, I hold for money, girl, come buy from me today.
But when
I mean, I
I
say to
take
myself,
up
yo, them style and a good style now, bro.
yeah, that's why me ask you how much come want know what make him take up them big money problem upon herself. So that's why I want know how much.
I just want to figure, man.
Want 10,000.
Take away some. Yo, let alone. All right, hear me I say. Come here, I go sort out some stuff. Look, our wife, when I talk, some sitting and talk about go to church, and them sitting and me, I tell her, I say, yo, give me a little ease, no man, and stop pressure me. You wanna pressure me from morning to night. I talk about this church. Church not save it, bro. What is that?
You see it? I can't talk foolishness. I tell her, say, me da look about too. Come here, think about if you deal with it too.
Look like
in the future.
Yeah, in the future, but me I say the way she talk, like say, bro, and it's not like me I do nothing bad out the road, you know. That me I talk about, you know.
What you say you not do?
Me not no badness out the road, bro. It's just a little me drink one rum, you know.
5 women on them style.
No, a 3 now. No,
3.
a 3 now.
No, so hold on, 3. And your wife I had make 4. And nearly 5 still.
No, so a problem?
No, I don't know.
So what you talk about? Man, if you have enough girl, you know. Yeah, so
right.
you have to keep it there, so brother.
True.
But you have to have money for maintaining it. So you have to work. You understand? But right now, I'm going to ease up over certain things because I can't maintain it right now. But you know what I say? Your problem solved?
Yeah, man, my problem solved.
All right.
I only hope she not come back to the
yeah,
gate
man, she
again.
not forward, man, because she see me face and know she say me have family like that.
True,
you understand me? I say
yeah,
me have friend like that. Yeah. So make sure say but I would say if you're going to America and see her, then just you know what I mean. How about talk with the money?
You go differently though.
No good, man. But yeah, I said about talk with the money.
No, I will never mention.
Because when I want to feel like me give them things and I chat a road.
But how much money you say?
Me say just load the money thing and we shall get it. Yes, sir.
All right.
Pick up yourself.
You
Yes, sir.
never tell me nothing.
No.
All right. Come man, come. I no come for you know, smile thing. Because you see when me talk to you and listen, you feel glad for you have one family, you care about you.
What your problem? So you come push me in my head like that. You not even know if me have headache.
What make you go borrow money from public?
Who?
No you, I can't me.
Borrow from who? How much money you say?
What if you know that you ain't tell me the part there? But
So
you feel tappy.
Me if you stop it.
What you mean you just a borrow so? You know see me ever have my 10 cents, me ever see me a walk and borrow?
Me never say you walk and borrow, you know. But me dey a shop and me short $100.
So 100 like in really?
And me tell him say give me $100 for pay a shop lady. $100 me no borrow no money from
Mama
uncle.
tell me say a whole heap of money.
Me know what me gonna do. Since me borrow money, it's
but you're
alright.
too workless, man.
No man.
Yeah, I get popped down, I know you come like me carry with pop down from when I know me can't fix it.
Who you talk to?
Hey,
Respect
easy
you,
yourself, you know.
Respect
Easy
you.
yourself.
Me can't believe. And this year coming to me house and disrespect me.
Hey, you see if you're my cousin, I fist you over there, you know.
Try.
But me I talk the truth and you begs the truth hurt.
No, all that the truth that you heard, for borrow, forget. Matter of fact, me not even tell myself to lend me it. Me tell myself to give me $100. And he saying give me it, so how comes him walk and say
but
me
if you
borrow
never
money?
beg him nothing, he would have nothing to say. You beg too much.
Me give him back $100. True, me never carry as much money in a shop.
And your sister pop you down in there.
Take time talking them, I don't want things feel.
Me no business in for here. You see since so you go on to you say I'm a polo shirt or you borrow you carry back on give me here. Cause you come go on like
So
fake.
why you disgrace me like that? Why you do me so?
Because me a teacher
Me
you
think
not
you're
learn.
my favorite cousin. And you treat me, you know, say if you stop it.
Yeah, I'm my
If you
favorite cousin, but you not listen. But none of that me I talk about now. Hear me I say, one girl me see in our community. You know, I'm kind of meds are still, you know, I know say you and her kind of have a good link, so I wonder what you can do for me.
And that come at me hard for?
You know, so I don't normally come check you, so friend, you see me I come check your whole heap, you know what
You know, so my mind should have tell me that.
Well,
Say, I show you want somebody you come at me yard.
No, listen to me I say now. You make me get her and you keep your polo shirt.
No, You have to give me more money. Yeah, that?
You know how much my polo shirt?
No, me wash the polo shirt and carry back and give about more money.
7,000 me
Me
pay
no
feet, you know?
business. Yeah, that? So me can look one girl for $7,000. You're the crazy.
I mean,
Put something on it.
that's the right for me, cause me I go up on the road and come back. Me I go a machine and come
How
back.
much you put on it?
Me I go a machine
How
and
much you
that's
put?
easy,
How
no,
much
easy,
you
no,
put?
man.
Tell me now.
Me easy. Me I come circle you back. Me I
Alright,
go a
no
machine.
problem.
Just do it right for
So
me.
they
Here,
say like
do
it,
good.
girl.
Yeah, man, me love her.
You love
Yeah.
how you feel love somebody you don't know nothing about her?
Sis, just calm down now. And your business that. You just know so you do it for me. Cause when you ask, no make me talk.
When me I spend for my sister, that I'm
No,
my sister
make me
and
talk.
nothing,
No
man.
make me talk.
Yo, you have to put 10 more thousand on you and we go through. Them the girl there, a
You
hot
chat too
girl.
much.
Let
Just
me tell you
listen to
something.
me. What?
You see, they hair, their nails, everything have to done for them the girl there. Them the girl there, you have to have money to spend for them
But
girl
you
there.
hot
Try
a girl
remember
for you
that.
because you don't do fear here in her nails.
That's crazy. Come here for disgrace me. Go on. Me not bother do it.
I joke, man. Just do it for me here.
Nah, do it a box.
Do it for me, man. Me put on another 5,000
No,
on the 7. Just do
you
it.
idiot.
Deal with it.
Hey,
Deal
you
with
said
it,
to
cuz
start give the
later.
girl the money. Alright.
What one girl? Me I tell you. No, me kinda get tired of that outside work. Master, that outside drain me little energy. Yeah, me feel like she suffer long enough. Me feel like me go finally just come straight. Yeah. Cause me and this house now go work out. This house it a hold me down. So when you say I go and feel later. Come with mind go hold a one drink and pour down one craving in. With me long for burn a craving in. Me can't even make this house. Yeah. Actually, I know how long me live in this house, all my head happening. Me feel like me catch all migraine. Me so link your back.
Well done.
What you talk about?
Sister. Girl, me trust you.
I trust myself too.
And this I really do to me. You know the amount of money me lose. You know the amount of things me miss. Just to make you comfortable and happy in your sickness.
I was sick.
Me all take time off of my work just to take care of you. And you tell me say all along you can sit down up by yourself and
Since
talk
recently,
on
yeah.
phone.
See, get the key terms. Since recently.
You should have believed me uncle and my cousin.
Okay.
Them tell me say you are pretend.
So, I saw you all of my entire family just a go round and a come
Because
round
they
and
know
a
say
catch.
you are
Me a what?
because they know say you are not good somebody.
Me a no good
That's
somebody.
why.
If me never good somebody, but I still there so pretend. In which me you look like y'all out there start listen to the conversation whole long in which you're supposed to hear when me say me feel like say me go stop all of this. Oh, me should have continue. And that's what you try to tell me. You see, if me did wicked enough, would have continue. You wouldn't even catch me as so. Pan the phone. Yeah. If me did wicked as well, you no claim say me wicked.
You know say would have beat her right now.
I lie.
But guess what? Me no want lick you and nothing happen to you and me said when I go turn around and look about you. But thanks for everything that you see, thanks. Me know if me did ever know I left you on the street when time then carry come on me yard. Me make you all turn in my pitney bed. I have me pitney under so sleep with me. And you really do this to me, Manda? Manda, you are my little sister and you do this to me?
When I get straight, what me actually do to you? What me do to you? First of all, when me did up and running for my 2 foot them, it was only me alone. You know why me taunt you so? Because me want to see if you're real. But in this case, me not think you're real. You think you're real.
You don't think me real? You
And
know what
that
amount
me
of money me
just say.
spend for you? Charter care, go hospital, and so I have a cook and I give you food.
By
You're
right
supposed
that you're supposed to
Shut
do.
up!
Yeah, my bigger sister that you.
Shut up! When me a talk, you don't talk. You know what amount of effort me put in here, you do this to me, Manda? Me? As a matter of fact, come out of my house. Me no want to eat that no more. Come.
By right, I am
Go on.
going.
Come out.
Give me my phone, I'm a
Take your
careful.
phone. Go on. Come out of my house and no come back. Crosses. That Mr. God. Thank you for showing me sign.
Yeah, sister, me never make your mad out.
Why, oh boy, me say, man, look here, that's been no Wayne gone. From the other day, me dey tell him about for changing life and going to church. Him just start move away. Every morning, just get up and gone, and he just go come back in, come in when he ready and all of them. Can't manage them something, you know. I don't know what to do. Me dey try guide him in the right path and everything, but why? Me not give up still, you know. Because one day I'm going to have to. And it's a must. I'm going to have to take off the locks there off my head. I take it off, man. Because I have to take it off and you have to go in a church. Because I go make him understand the rights from the wrong. So all in there go and make him go along. Go every morning, man. Oh, cheer my family call me. Yes, my family. Me there, you know. Me say from morning the man left the yard. All long he no come back. Me not even know what go on.
You don't know see your uncle style that already.
So him just move from me tell him about how him fi change and go in a church. Him just a move away, me say family.
Aside time, he will so come back.
Oh.
But anyway, I call you for
Why problem now?
me stress out.
Oh, you stressed out? I want you. Hold up your stress, man, and talk to me.
Why? Me can't believe say me there over 2 much weeks now I look about Manda and something. I never know see a fake Manda fake. And me spend how much money per Manda, you know. Amanda do me like this. Because me and her sister.
You never know, so Manda never sick, girl. Manda jealous of you for everything you do. Every move you make and your progress in her life, she jealous of everybody. So if you make one step forward and make a progress in her life, she bad mind you and try to hold you down. And if you make a next step and say, alright, you go elevate your bad mind and jealous you for everything, girl. And you, she use you. She not sick, she the farm sick.
But me never know me feel say Amanda sick and everybody I tell me say Amanda not sick and me I tell them say a lie, Amanda sick. Cause me try to care people, care God, doctor, something.
Tappy, then me not see somebody pass me and I say, if me not hear say Manda not sick for true. I mean say what you say? And them a say yes, then hear Manda on the phone. Then over here Manda talk say she go fake sick and things to get things from you and take your money and something because she not like the way oh yeah make it in her life and yeah progress more than her and something. So she have to find a way to bring you back down to square one. You never see that you did blind?
So weird. So why you never call me and tell me all of this?
Girl, me nah no phone. I borrow one phone like I say me da go call it, but you call me same time. Remember say my phone mash up, you know.
Me say me I'll put my work on hold for Monday, you know. Me miss much places and me go just see Monday, you know, and I decide things I me get from Monday, you know.
Yeah, what you do? Mama, yeah, what you go do now? Tell her say you not have it no more. You're broke and you not have nothing. And you go hear how she behave and say, oh, me never sick. I use me that use you. You go hear how she behave.
Listen. I run Monday out of my house from yesterday
Good.
already.
Run her
So
out,
me
man.
not have no more money to spend on that look. Me don't know how to call her. That little shot black magic something.
She they just use your money. After you spend much money and make she do her ear and take care of girl, are you sure? You make she use no more of your money. Remember you have your pitney them for take care of something.
Till me start borrow and take things from my family, them then they walk around and chat and cuss me about it. And shame me pan road about them sitting there.
No stress
Mr.
yourself for
Manda,
Amanda. Make Manda go away. Manda no one good family member.
So if I catch Manda, I beat her.
Me help you
Better
beat
not
her,
go
mama.
walking on the road.
Lick her night, girl. Lick her night and we hold you and beat her backside, mama. Lick her. Call me when you go to. Make her pack her bag with stone in her head. Yes, man.
Call you, man. Me keep you posted here.
Yeah, man. Take care, though. And about stress yourself.
Also, I'm not stress myself, but I money me. I worry about how me go waste the whole of money. Can't idiot.
That's how I go, man. Alright.
Alright. When uncle come in, tell him to me soon carry $100 come here.
Alright, family.
Alright, later.
Yes, man. Me say, I want she hold you and lick your left, right, and center in your backside, you know. Eh? Listen to me. Read me lips and read it properly. Sisters are meant to stick together. It doesn't mean that one sister must be wicked and evil to the next. Wicked. When me did up her foot, my sister never have time for me. All she do, I come in, go work, bed, sleep, nyam. Nothing else. So that means say, you have to take her money, her hard working money. She have her 2 pitney them. Eh? And family if you take care and you they fake sick, you think me not hear one woman come call me and tell me oh she hear you. On phone a plan for fake sick, for take her money and everything and bring her there. You have to stop it, you know. Me a fake sick, me did actually meet in our accident, so I wasn't faking. But the thing is, me did a play and cause me did feel much better and feel up and running. So how you have to do that? Imagine look on all the nice hairstyle with the girl pay for you get. What me do? What me do? You look, I never run, me make you run mad. You see, if me the wicked, I want to think, but I go obey a man. But your past wicked man. You imagine, you get better, you know, say sis, alright, me get better, you know. Why should I go try get her work? She have her pitney them to look bout. She will waste her pitney money, you know, she struggle and go through with you. Eh? Imagine how she work hard and get the money. Me not feel no way because that me want to go on. No, me not have you on your backside. My heart is cool as ice. She go lick you on your backside, you know. Remember me did tell you, you know. Me say, remember no. Remember say, the way you treat her, she go reach your back. Remember so when you pull out the hairstyle, you know, no man and no money to do it back, so you go look like prof. I know that, you know. You know the fact when I look pan? Una my family. And you know have my back pan nothing. And the little thing when me do, una just have family me down. We're wicked and lie. Me not have your back. When you're sick, you're sick. When you're not sick, you're not sick. If you're sick and get better, you get better. Tap fake sick to take your sister money. She have her pick up for you. Me not pick up for you. And me not pick up for she. Never run her pocket red. See the same thing I tell you. Sister feel you, but you be wicked. Let me tell you, a wicked you don't want to see me get wicked. I bet that you want. Me say try that. Oh no want. Me say try that. You don't want me get wicked. Look at my face. You don't want me get wicked. Let me tell you this. Me a weeded here. You see, up your so, in your so, 100. You see, when me chip, I chip me chip. And since I walk around and I and I talk about, oh, she wicked, she this. I'm not going to show no wicked. For yourself. Me America so tell your husband, tell Marika, tell Poppy, tell everybody, say, I shall be a bitch. Let me tell you this, you know. Me not tell my husband nothing. Because my husband tell me, oh, you must not push why. But I go buck your one away with Marika. And we go beat you go. I go beat, you see you black? We go beat you till you're white. So tell me something now. Yet they come at me here because what you really come here for? Me come here because me want to see you. I long to see you. That's why I'm pop up. But no, unfortunately, you not long to see me. But you can't just pop up me here without come. What if me never there here? Me a busy, someone have to call me and say, hey, you're the home, me I want to come link you. So, me need to call my family to tell my family so me I come out. Yeah, because you know me not like people on me yard. Oh, so me people know. I don't like family member me yard. You no beg too much and borrow too much. Where you want? Where you come
Anyways, remember when you did down at the bar and you end up get boxed?
And what?
And you need to pay for the drink and me end up having to pay for it and my money will come back.
No wrong if you pay for it. Hey girl, let me tell you this. Come out of me yard before I take some.
Hey, come out of me yard, you know. Because we lick you down. Because when my family they take money give you and you they fake it, hey, I will bust your head with me. So I say, come out of me yard, lady. I say, you said, come out of me yard.
I'm glad
you come.
No.
Me will bust the girl head, you know.
My belly hurt me, so I don't bother busting.
What you mean by your belly hurt you? You want shit? You have your family yesterday come over me yard, come go and like she the bully and dopey conqueror. And me no want
Me never
come and bully you know. Me say you nah get back the drinks money. You take too much money from America, but you the sick and you the sick. As you talk about America, so me come here, you are talk about I want you pack a bag and liquor and who? You. Me?
Oh, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I say, oh, I want my family now to take something and lick you. Telling you, say, no know me, no.
I say I want her to
You don't know me, but you not gonna see how mad me be. Mad, my word. I'm mad.
Hey, I said she will clap you.
Get out of this place now. I say leave my place, oh. You standing here as if you live. I say get up from my. I say get out. I said get up before I bust your head with this. Get out. You're just attacking. I'm not have time.
Don't worry. Marika shall wait upon you alien mouth.
Yes, tell her say me wait upon her too.
At 2 hours you come and now.
I know business I wanna me can back myself.
Your mag and favor string.
Look who's talking.
Company foot them all tough. Where they come here for money. Favor me too. Only hurry up and come. From your passes are going, I don't know what you're doing all so long, man. Come, man, come on and talk to you. I don't know so long, Pastor about belly hot him, eh?
Babe.
We did it so long.
It is done, you know.
You mean it is done?
It is done in the bathroom.
So you not give away tissue them. Every time I buy a case of tissue and your friend them come, oh, you know that tissue can't give me. You give them. You expect it to go done?
So
anyways, you know hear what going on with the Marika business and something.
No, but that and a food business that we can't fix that.
Come like you not understand. You mean a food business we can't fix.
So we are fix it. This a girl
she did even tell me tell us say when time you come, she carry $100 come.
Huh?
Yes.
And $100 at $1,000 millionaire.
She say $100 she a go carry it come.
$1,000 she can come and you collect it $1,000. Don't collect $100. You understand me? I say.
You are gonna tell her say
how me wanna give
$100 she tell me.
So why she want to get $100 come give me?
I don't know what I do. She something tell her uncle say when her uncle come, say later she carry $100 come.
So I deal that you can't with us for now.
No, but you can imagine Manda fake sick to take Marika money. Look at that.
So Marika finally find out now?
Yes, and she said if why me never tell her long time, I tell her say me never have no phone. Remember say my phone mash up from the other day.
That's true still. But me I say why? Me can go back in because I beg you go down a shop and see if you can buy one t-shirt for me.
If you go down a shop, what want to say?
Yeah, Billy. See?
Give me where money there? Give me. How much if you buy one or 5?
No, you can buy 5. Just buy one and come back if you want change come.
Alright, me so come.
Hurry up here.
Yes, me a run go.
Alright.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you
So one more this come from?
trying to feel
And one more this come from? You know long me not use the right hand ya.
Then mama,
Yeah,
tell
one
me
more.
something. So after police come a your yard, you still come and offer me box? You're lucky me I go in a church after that box me
Listen
get
to
you
me.
know.
Me busy boy you are your church. I mean not afraid of police. And one more box, me should have get one test out the left hand. Me should show them powerful we go call police. You inform me girl.
Police again for you know. I will go down at the station and make them come up here, come box you with the gun, you know.
No police
Don't
can
in my
box
church,
me.
you feel like you can box me again. Box who? You mad? The blood of Jesus against you.
You see blood of Jesus, yes, sir?
I said the blood of Jesus against you. Come out and wake. I'm going to bite it so my man can belly run.
Let me tell you, oi, back up there, sir. Back up. You're not going to that shop here.
Jesus.
Me no want to see the shop here.
Hey,
Can't
you
use the shop
lucky
here.
say me baptized, you know. Because I would have boxed your back
If
right
you never
now,
box
you
me
know.
at the club, I know you go plan to box me.
Oh, you mean?
No, me floor out here, you know. Don't make me floor you out
me I
here.
go give you. When me lick you, so, you reach way over Wonderland,
Hey,
you know.
girl, move fire, sir. Me no want to
Move away, me say me I go buy the tissue for me, man.
If you think you're bad, move, pass me.
What this now?
But you feel like me a Christian, what? I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Hey, what you feel? What? You lucky, no, girl. I told me hungry. I'm gonna eat from morning. Make she get it. So go lick the cousin, right?
Hey, where's your going now? So everything along with the club. Where's that going? Alright? Yeah, man, we said to my man, I know say the girl ain't active, the thing they well set up. Alright. Remember say I'm a promoter, you know, so you don't know say everything have to set up the right way. You understand? So you not have to worry about nothing. Nothing at all, you not have to worry about my friend. Hey. Hold on there. Give me a second, I'm soon call her back. Alright. Yeah.
I tell you, I'm going to shout off for me.
This is set up. Only when you're hungry, do you face so. How happen now?
Man, I go to the club. I'm in box on the girl.
Hey, remember, you see him girl?
Yeah, me up a shop and me say me I go bun me cook craving here. And she come up there and she beat me up. How are you look for?
What you say?
She beat me up. She top me up and run gone.
So cousin, you made the girl beat you?
Yeah, she beat me.
You don't have no sense.
Me have sense.
No, you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense at all. You made the girl box you.
She not box me back.
So hold on there.
She thump me up in my belly and me say, you know say me no bad only when you did me act bad.
Liar tell, you can't make that the girl beat you.
She beat me for true.
Liar tell. So you tell me say, you know holy girl, and you know kick down your foot and kick him so. You idiot? How you fi make girl beat you? You know
so no bad.
You know what?
So
For other day, I realize that something there, you know. You know, eat no food, not true?
No.
And that's say you lose.
That not say.
Me
You must say me not really bad, you know. When I did me act bad, I mean I try act bad, you know, I say me want to try out my left hand in her face. And then the girl she talk about she got church.
When me not did you act bad. And full of mouth when I go up on the road. So you not learn to fight. Come on. I gonna show the girl something. Come on. Go, lead the way. Cause you come like a some idiot.
You feel gallant with me.
You look up, I don't know if you call her man tete. What the girl there? Hi girl.
You call girl, a dirty foot. Eh? I wrong place to come.
Who you call dirty foot? How him?
I girl man, must be girl man.
Who you call dirty foot? I want me give one and uppercut them. Or me just draw you by your locks.
A dirty jumping at you? Eh? You mixed with the dirty spirit? Eh?
Just look at him. If you ever spit though. Huh? How do you? How you smell?
I smell something stink.
How am I? Wanna come out of my yard? Wanna come to? Wanna come for? Eh? Wanna friend down at club? Wanna step out of my place,
You
please?
shit up.
You shit up?
Yes.
Big man.
Not even go answer one, you know. Me not even go answer no right now, because I don't understand one of the place. I wanna
You
want,
hear
wanna
what
want.
going on? Shit up, man. You come and call me dirty foot girl. But that you didn't even know heat when I'm right now, my foot then so dirty. Come on, take off the slippers and box your girl now no face. Tell a girl, say, anytime I hold her, I done it done.
You can't hold me like my woman, see? And if I hold
Me
her,
say.
listen to me I say, if you don't think on bad, me can't get the law in this side, because I don't need to get my hands dirty.
Oi!
Because I know say una hag.
Around us, I'm born and grow. We not afraid of law.
I don't say nothing about that.
Where you come
Worry
from?
about that, man.
Eh?
You know me and remember how the girl sit in a shop. She come buy juice for her man. Hey! You shit up. Big man like a shit up. Big man like a shit up.
Oh shit.
Who shit up? Who shit up? You stink of beer shit. Oi! Just give a girl a message. Anytime I hold her, she not gonna like it. How dare she?
But she
Box
fight me
my
down the road,
cousin.
Back to her cousin.
How
Back she.
dare she box me little cousin?
Just take time we buy a dirty foot out of my yard, please and thanks. Because I can't bother with the advisor. You know, I want a different zone.
See how you put wires, see how you think of shit.
No, something
Eh?
really wrong with you. Look, what? You drunk or something? Me say you smoke, so
Hey!
your brain gone.
You think I drunk? You see how me a laugh?
To sting.
I mash more and mash you up, boy. You
Mash
see how
me
the
up.
girl? Yo,
Go bed. And
Don't
if
worry
you want a shower,
Yeah, man, don't worry about
you
that.
stink bad. You're
Oi.
a big man.
give a girl a message there. Anytime me Pinky Waller, she not gonna like it.
And look, we're sitting to the front of the yard, you sit down with the stinking self.
Hey,
Hey,
come out of my yard, come out of my yard.
What are we chatting? We
What
now
the
move. What you doing?
you stink
Come on.
like...
We now
Come
move.
out of my yard.
Watch out.
Come out of my yard.
Watch idiot. Watch idiot.
You can't
And we
police.
now moving now.
You know, move,
Kaya
that's all.
joke. Kaya see
Me
a
not
bill off
police
off
anyways,
fire.
me not
We
tell
now
you for this.
move.
Come, me not really want to go jail again. You
Yo,
follow?
you lay waiting girl, you know.
Come, me can't taste a stinking scent here.
Some-
You stink bad, you come like Duns River. Come.
Me come out Duns River.
Come.
Don't worry about
Watch
that,
him.
man.
Watch him.
Cabarita.
Watch
Cabarita
him.
River. Where
Ah,
they dump
yawa,
shit in
you
that.
can't come about
Eh?
yawa.
Watch
Me
him.
awa, eh? Don't worry about
You
what me
feel my
awa.
foot back.
Boy, shit in a plate. Boy, drunk crow.
But that woman did them on the damn tissue.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above your knees. Spliffing at the left and on the beer and at the right. Miss a wine and she a bubble upon me right.